Welcome to our Introduction to Cybersecurity Session 1.2. Today, we explore the dynamic landscape of cybersecurity, focusing on critical statistics, real-world examples, and essential lessons for organizations. Cybersecurity statistics related to data breaches, cyber threats, and attacks. Phishing attacks were implicated in 36% of data breaches, leading to data disclosure, according to Verizon's 2021 Data Breach Investigations Report. Ransomware attacks surged by 62% in 2020, as reported by the IBM X-Force Threat Intelligence Index 2021. Vulnerabilities and exploits. In 2020, 61% of breaches involved stolen credentials or brute force attacks, underscoring vulnerabilities in authentication systems. Verizon 2021. Persistent issues arise from exploiting known vulnerabilities in unpatched or outdated systems. Impact of data breaches. Globally, the average cost of a data breach in 2021 reached $4.24 million, based on the IBM Cost of a Data Breach Report 2021. Organizations took an average of 287 days to detect and contain breaches in 2020, also from the IBM report. Assets and risks. Sensitive personal data, including financial information and remains prime targets in breaches. Cybersecurity risks vary across industries. Healthcare and financial sectors face heightened risks due to data sensitivity. Examples and context. Example: a major healthcare provider in 2020 suffered a breach through vulnerabilities in an outdated patient management system. This incident compromised sensitive patient records, leading to severe financial penalties and reputational damage. Context. These statistics underscore the critical need for organizations to prioritize cybersecurity measures. Regular vulnerability assessments, robust incident response plans, and comprehensive employee training are essential to mitigate risks from phishing and social engineering attacks. Key lessons. Patching and updating systems. Regular updates mitigate vulnerabilities in outdated software, reducing exploitation risks. Employee training. Phishing awareness training empowers employees to recognize and thwart malicious email threats, bolstering overall defenses. Incident response preparedness. Effective response plans swiftly detect, contain, and mitigate breaches, minimizing operational disruption and financial impact. Protecting sensitive information. Strong encryption and access controls safeguard sensitive data, preventing unauthorized access and breaches. Industry-specific challenges. Tailored security measures address unique industry risks and compliance requirements effectively. Financial and reputational implications. Data breaches incur substantial costs and damage trust, necessitating proactive cybersecurity investments. Continuous monitoring and adaptation. Active monitoring and adaptive strategies sustain robust cybersecurity postures against evolving threats. Prioritizing proactive cybersecurity measures ensures resilience against evolving threats and safeguards data integrity.